The Executive Board of Journalists Association of Samoa, or JAWS, is standing in solidarity with President Lagi Keresoma, who has been charged with criminal libel in relation to an article she authored and published on Talamua Online News early this month. In a media statement, JAWS said the charge, brought under Section 117A of the Crimes Act 2013, is a troubling development of press freedom in Samoa. The statement said, "It is deeply concerning that a journalist of Lagi Keresoma's integrity and professionalism is being prosecuted under a law that has long been criticized for its negative effect on press freedom." Lagi Keresoma was summoned to the police station in Apia on Saturday and Sunday and charged with 1 count of defamation on Monday morning and will appear in court in late June. The charge stems from an article seeking head of state's help to withdraw criminal charges inappropriate, she wrote and published on Talamua Online News on the 1st of May 2025. Ms. Keresoma said she was summoned twice to the police station, and police suggested the option to apologize publicly and to the complainant and the complaint to be withdrawn. To apologize is an admission that the story is wrong, so after speaking to my lawyer and my editor, we decided to have the police file their charges against me, but no apology from my end, said Keresoma. Her lawyer also contacted the police investigative officer, informing that her client was not making a statement, but to prepare the charges against her. The case involves a former police officer who is charged with allegedly forging the signature of a guarantor to secure a loan of 200,000 tala from the Samoa National Provident Fund. The defendant is facing 2 counts of forgery and has entered a not guilty plea, and the hearing is set for September. Meanwhile, JAWS is standing firm in support of its president and her right to report freely and without fear of criminal prosecution. JAWS also rejects the use of criminal libel laws as a means to silence journalists or discourage investigative reporting. It calls for the immediate repeal of Section 117A of the Crimes Act 2013 and for Samoa to return to a legal framework that protects press freedom and resolves defamation through civil remedies. Criminal libel, considered an outdated legislation from colonial times, was previously abolished but reinstated by the former government under the Crimes Act 2013 and carries a prison term of 3 months. JAWS is urging the government of Samoa and the Ministry of Police to uphold their constitutional and democratic obligations to protect the freedom of expression in the press.